Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Thinkorswim platform. First, download and install the Thinkorswim desktop application. Once installed, log in using your existing brokerage account credentials. Take a moment to explore the main interface, which includes various panels and menus. Understanding this initial layout is crucial for efficient navigation and utilizing the platform's powerful features effectively. It's designed to be intuitive, but a quick overview helps. Navigating Thinkorswim is straightforward once you know the main areas. You'll find customizable watch lists to keep an eye on your favorite stocks or options. The platform is organized into distinct tabs such as Monitor, Trade, Analyze, and Scan, each serving a specific purpose. You can also easily access your account details, including balances and order history, ensuring you always have a clear picture of your investments. Spend some time clicking through these sections. Placing a trade on Thinkorswim is a core function. Head over to the Trade tab, where you can enter your desired security and specify the quantity. You have the flexibility to choose from various order types, such as market, limit, or stop orders, to suit your trading strategy. Always take a moment to carefully review all the trade details, including price and quantity, before confirming your order for execution. This helps prevent errors. Thinkorswim offers powerful advanced tools for serious traders. Dive into the advanced charting features, which include numerous technical indicators and drawing tools for in-depth analysis. You can also customize your workspace by creating and saving unique layouts that fit your trading style. For those who want to go even further, the Think script language allows for personalized studies and alerts, giving you a significant edge in the market.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.